What's going on, guys? Here I have a 2025 Audi Q7, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. It's really easy and you don't need any tools. So coming to the passenger side of the car, located under the glove box is the engine air filter. So come down here and you'll notice a few plastic clips. All you have to do is really grab these with your fingers, twist them and pull them out. That's 1, 2, and 3. Once you have those clips undone, we simply grab this foam padding, pull it down and out of the car. And from here you can access the cabin air filter. It's held in by 4 clips. So the first clip is located here, and one back here, and one more located here. Oop. Well, that was a lot easier. So if that happens, it's actually a lot easier. The clips are located here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 clips, and then essentially your air filter is just located in here. It would just slide right out. Here is the part number, and this one's kind of blurry. You cannot really make it out, but I'll leave a link down below and leave the part number. And then just make sure you keep an eye on the orientation. So this one went in out this way. You want to make sure it goes in the similar way because the airflow will shoot a certain direction. So we just grab the cabin air filter, reinsert it into place, and then grab that plastic cover and make sure we click in 4 clips. So 1, 2, located one more in the back here, 3, and 4. Once you hear 4 clicks, simply reinstall the foam undercover. So when we reinstall the foam undercover, make sure you pay attention to these holes that will align to these anchor points for those plastic rivets. So grab those plastic clips and we simply just reinsert them. So that is how you replace the cabin air filter on your 2025 Audi Q7. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts. And if you have any questions, if you're going to do this yourself versus taking it to the dealer, how much money it costed at the dealer. If you guys are looking for more videos on this car, check out my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.